Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block program in Windows Firewall. For that, you just need to come over into the start icon, click on the start icon and simply search here Windows Firewall. If you just click on it for open, then the Windows Defender Firewall and Advanced Security option will be pops up. And then here you need to click on Inbound Rules. And into the inbound rules, here is an option called new rule. If you click on that, and here will be new inbound rule wizard will be open. You just select the program, click next, and here you need to select the program path. So if you click on browse and then come over into local C drive, and from here you need to select program files or program files x86. I will going to go for program files, open it, and here if I just want to block TeamViewer app, if you click on that and simply select the TeamViewer desktop, click on it and click next and click on block the connection, click next and next. And now we have to give a name, block. If you want to give the description you can and let them finish. You just need to click on unbound rules, click on that, click on new file, click on program, click next, click all program, or you can simply this program path, click on browse, select the TeamViewer desktop, click next and next and next and give a name, unblock, click finish. And this will be block the internet access into TeamViewer app. So this is how we can block program in Windows Firewall. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.